Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Mesgiri Channel, update healer, also matarder. So, ngayong hapon na tatigyan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahaginap? So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, eto na tunghayan na natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. And there's something na Four of Wands, sa celebration, no? This is the moment na maaaring, kumbaga makaranas ka ng mga celebration or maaaring magkaroon ng mga events or something, a family gathering. No, there's something homecoming. No, maaaring kung magagaling ka sa international, maaaring umuwi ka galing ibang bansa, or either by local, no, maaaring pumunta ka ng probinsya or umuwi ka ng bahay nyo. There's something information with the Seven of Wands. No, you are also protected. No, protektado ka dito, or either there's a Seven of Wands represent protections. No, kailangan at protection at pangalagaan mo ang sarili mo. And this is something, the Justice card, the karma. Now, there's a Justice card, the justice will be served. Na may mga bagay na maaaring pumabor sa'yo, may mga bagay na maaaring ibigay sa'yo, no? Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a set of story with something as sabotage, no? There's something backstabbing, no? May taong, kumaga, meron talaga sumasabotahe at talaga nagbabackstab sa'yo dito, no? Tinatrader ka. And there's a Queen of Wands as something confident. Kailangan lakasan mo ang loob mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. No, there's a talk with a partnership. Meron naman dito about sa partnership, guys. No, meron dito about sa something, a partnership about sa business, about naman sa negosyo, about naman sa trabaho mo, about sa even sa life, no? Even sa love life. So, let's see what is the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands represent a wedding, no? Some of you maaaring ikasal din, no? And the Six of Swords with the transition, makakalis ka na sa situation. Meron talagang uuwi galing sa ibang bansa or uuwi galing sa local areas. There's something, Seven of Wands represent with a strength, confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo, no? Protection at pangalagaan mo kung ano man yung grounds mo. And this is something, the Six of Wands for a victory is yours. Talaga magtatagumpay ka. At sinasabi dito, magkakaroon dito ng something balance. And the Justice card will be served. Na makukuha mo yung hustisya. And that Ten of Swords represent with the Death card. Oh, meron talaga sumasabot tayo sa iyo. The Death card just represent an ending. Matatapos na ang mga traidor. No, na bulgar na ang katraidoran. No, naliwanagan na kung sino ang talagang tumitira sa ipatalikod. So, let's see what is the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands represents the Three of Swords, no? There's a something recovery from the pain. Maaring there's a something insecure then at the same time. Na may mga tao sa paligid mo na maaring naiinggit sa'yo. And there's a something, a mother figure na maaring maiksi ang buhok. And this is something, the Three of Swords, that represents with a recovery. No? Makaka-recover ka na. And this is a Ten of Pentacles with a long term. No? Pang matagalan eksena na to. Magkakaroon ka ng financial security or financial windfall. No? Let's see what is the Four of Wands that represents the Six of Swords. This is a Ten of Wands, so something of burden, no? Kumbaga matatapos na yung bigat, obligasyon, responsibilidad. This is the Seven of Wands because the Strength card. Represent what? Represent the Knight of Cups with an offer. There's an offer, guys, no? Proposal, engagement, and there's a higher level of commitment. Nasa sense ko. So let's see what is the Justice card because the Six of Wands. The Justice card, the Six of Wands represent the Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na maisa sa katuparan na. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit with the Ten of Swords and the Death card. So, represent with the Eight of Cups. So, something moving on or moving forward. Or getting away from this situation. Makakaalis ka na sa situation. No? Dahil parang naliwanagan ka or maaaring nag-back out, no? Yung taong, kumaga, trumaydor sa'yo. No? Parang naliwanagan or either, kumaga, ano na kagad siya, nabuko. This is the Queen of Wands because the Three of Swords reverse represent the Two of Wands by choices, no? Kumbaga, piliin mo lang yung pagkakatiwalaan mo. The Page of Wands, something good news. May magandang balita daw dito, no? About sa partnership. Okay, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. Na magkakaroon ka ng harvest moment dito. No, lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo from the past ay maaaring ito na yung resulta. Ito na yung kamayaran. This is something, the Emperor, no, being mature enough and being grounded. Kaya kailangan maging mature ka or maaaring lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo ay maaaring parte ng paghubog mo, ng pagkatao mo. No, may mga bagay na liliwanag sa iyo na bakit nangyari itong mga bagay na to. Kumbaga, nag-sink in sa lahat ng utak mo, o mag-sink in sa utak mo to, na kaya to nangyari sa buhay mo, there's something a reason, no? And this is something the Eight of Wands is something a fast communication and fast movement. No, bibilis ang takbo ng eksena na to. Additional messages tayo, no, with about sa love life. About sa love life, there's a transference for a perfect timing. So, may other divine intervention at the same time, no? Pinapaalalahanan ka na there's a perfect timing talaga, no? Pagdating sa love life, no? If you are being single, there's a worth waiting for, no? Maghintay ka ng taong talagang para sa'yo. And this is something, the word card, there's something trouble, and there's something success coming in for you, no? Talagang magtatagumpay ka. Additional messages pagdating sa health, ay sa health tayo. Sige. Let's see, there's a Two of Swords, there's a something decision. No, kailangan mo mag-decision and this is the Queen of Pentacles just being practical. No, pagdating sa finances. And there's an Ace of Pentacles with eviction and big money coming in for you. Kailangan mo mag-decision pagdating sa health issues mo. No, malaking factor ang finances dito. No, malaking factor ang pera. Ibig sabihin, maaaring na-stress ka ba sa pera or maaaring may kaugnayan about sa pera. No, let's see additional messages about sa career and finances. And this is the Page of Pentacles with an investment. No, marami kang investment dito or invest wisely. And this is the Seven of Cups. No, there's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Marami pang opportunity papasok sa'yo. And this is the Nine of Pentacles. No, this is something secure. Maging secure ka, no, pagdating sa finances. No, matuto kang humawak ng pera or matuto kang kung paano mo i-manage yung pera. No, invest wisely. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa magical fairy messages. Represent what? Magical fairy messages represent let go. Ay, may mga bagay na kailangan mo na i-let go. No? O may mga bagay na ma-let go na surrender to the divine. Di ba? Kailangan mo ng pakawalan, bitawan, ganon. One more card. There's a goodbye to the old, hello to the new, no? Kailangan mo ng pakawalan yung nakaraan, no? Or may mga bagay na kailangan ng magtapos, no? At may mga bagay na magsisimula na. For yin and yang, oracle card. Represent what? Represent a third eye clarity, maliliwanagan ka. Ay, there's a something senses, guys, no? May pakiramdam ka na, no? There's a something senses dito. Malakas ang radar mo or malakas ang pakiramdam mo, even your vibrations, no? And there's a something truth. Ay, alam mo na yung katotohanan. Ay, nagkaroon ka na ng instinct or something intuition kung ano yung katotohanan dito. And there's a highest self, no? Ipinakita sa panaginip mo. Oh, there's a something spiritual activation, guys. No, mayroong pumasok sa panaginip mo na maaaring nagbibigay sa iyo ng katotohanan. Let's see what is the synchronicity to represent what? May hinala ka na. Okay, let's see. And there's an in-tune, double clarification with the partnership. Diba? No, mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-partnership or may tao talagang para sa iyo. Now, there's something bliss. No, pagdating sa love life, talagang magkakaroon kayo ng pangmatagalang eksena or either intimacy, no? And there's something protecting love, no? Pinoproteksyonan mo ang pag-ibig, no? Pinoproteksyonan mo ang pagmamahal. Let's see what is the romance angels represent what, no? Dito malalaman to kung anong ganap mo sa pag-ibig at asawa, no? Pagdating sa relasyon, anong ganap? And there is something unfinished business. Meron dito parang hindi natapos na sitwasyon. No, maaaring magkaroon ng something turning back or either second time around na pag-ibig, maaaring magkita ulit kayo. No, maaaring makontinue yung relasyong nasira or relasyong naudlot, and there's a non-committal with an independent. No, kaya mo tumayo sa sarili mong paa. And there's something music. No, makakatulong sa'yo with the music, no? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages or represent workaholic. Na pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, napakatutok mo dyan. No? And there's something isolation. No? You're feeling isolated. You're feeling abandonment. You're feeling imprisonment. No? Kasi hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka magalaw. No? Parang maraming tumatakbo sa isip mo. And of course, this is something wisdom. There's something enlightened. Maliliwanagan ka at the end of the time. So let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. Messages for you. And there's you can create your situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo. Ikaw din makakagawa ng paraan para makalaya at makaalis ka dyan in a favorable outcome at papabor din sa iyo ang sitwasyon. So let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a diet is more important here. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-diet, no? Mag-iwas sa kung ano-ano pinaglalamon. Additional messages with an Angel Spirit. And there's an author, no? Parang sinasabi dito na papagandahin mo yung kwento mo or parang ikaw yung magdadala sa sarili mong buhay, no? Kung pagandahin mo yung magiging kwento mo, no? History mo. And there's something freedom para makakalaya ka na for worries, for abandonment, from negativities na may paglaya eh. And this is something in denial. No? I-acknowledge mo yung fear, ipalitan mo yung replace of awareness. No? Hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang. Diba? What is the Moonsology? Represent what? Conclusion are within reach, no? Oy, sabi ko na nga ba yung hinala mo tama eh. Di ba? Conclusion are within reach. And this is something surrender to the divine. Di ba? Surrender mo lang lahat. May mga taong trumaydor sa'yo, ipagdasal mo yan. Additional messages with an Angel Spirit. And there's something, wait, may mga bagay na kailangan mong hintayin. No? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. For an Angel's answer, represent what? Represent in the near future. Ay, nalalapit na talaga in the near future. And this is something, if you believe, basta naniniwala ka. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with an Angel Spirit. Represent a change, no? Unti-unti na mababago, unti-unti na mag-iiba. And there's a goddess insight na may pasilip sa iyo ang ating Angel Spirit na there's the sun card for a pure positive outcome. Maliliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari. Let's see what is the energy represent what? Represent a strategy. No, gamitin mo rin ito ng strategiya, no? There's a strategy here. And there's an hostilities. Protection at pangalagaan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what? Represent with the free yourself, no? It's time to take back controlling your life, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, pakawalan at, kumbaga, pangalagaan kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Diba? Kumbaga, kailangan ikaw yung magkukontrol, ikaw dapat yung magdidesisyon. For Jesus' loving quote said, represent, well done, do good and faithful servant. So see, tinatapos na magiging mabuting malilingkod ka at magiging tapat ka, no? Sa kung ano man ang mga bagay na meron ka. And this is something that shall be open to you, no? Kumakatok na ang ating Panginoon, so ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, buksan mo ang isip at puso mo, no? Sa mga mensahe at gabay ng ating mga angel spirit. For an angel's number, represent what? Represent a 5554 change. May mga pagbabago talaga magaganap dito, guys. There's something change coming in for you. And of course, this is something you are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life for the highest good. That is why you've been pushed through it. there is a reward waiting for the finish line. So, magtiwala ka na may mga rason at pagkakataon na mangyayari sa buhay mo na kailangan mo matutunan sa sarili mo. O kaya mo dapat tumayo sa sarili mo pa. Dahil may mga bagay na hinihintay mong magganap na naaayon sa ating Panginoon na may mga bagay na hindi pa ibibigay sa'yo. Kailangan mong magtiwala, maniwala na there's a perfect timing no, na ibibigay sa'yo ng ating Angel Spirit. For the messages of life, represent what? Represent beyond limitation. So, pinapakita dito guys, today, I exceed my own expectation. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There are no limitation. There is no end. Everything is unfolding in a continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a verdant horizon. I look beyond my perception of reality because beyond all various created from my own beliefs and fears, I am now open to new possibilities, no? Kumbaga, pakawalan mo yung mga nasa utak mo, no? Magtiwala ka sa ating pong may kapal na kumbaga, buksan mo ang isip mo sa lahat ng mga posibilidad na magaganap. Kailangan mo magtiwala in God plans, in a God process, and of course, sa progress. Kumbaga, magtiwala ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto niya mangyari sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo, mas alam niya yung makakabuti sa'yo kaysa sa sarili mo mga plano. So guys, this is the monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!